Hi, folks. This is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from SureCall.com. Reviewed a number of products from them over the years, so be sure to search for those on the ChrisVossShow.com. You can see all the different reviews of all the great products they have. This is the Fusion2Go Max. It's a voice, text, and 4G LTE cell phone signal booster for your car, truck, or SUV. Pretty awesome. It basically works inside of your vehicle, helps boost your 3G and 4G LTE signal, and it works from the inside. Of course, there's a thing you mount at the top as antenna, and it's pretty simple to do. You can set it up in just a few minutes. It's pretty nice. It's got U.S.-based customer support, 3-year warranty, 60-day money-back guarantee. Works with all carriers, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, U.S. Cellular, Verizon. Long-term reliability and FCC approved. So that's important to know as well. It really does make quite a bit of difference, a staggering amount of difference in the quality of signal that you take and get, in the boosting of it, et cetera, et cetera. And we saw higher download speeds, transfer speeds, et cetera, et cetera. So if you're running a business and you need to make sure your calls are being done right, or doing your work on a phone or mobile tablet, this is a great device, and it can tell you exactly what's going on the base unit that transfers all the signals, the different LTE, PCS, and cellular signals it's picking up. It basically uses their extended range technology to capture cell signals at the strongest point outside of the vehicle and improves signal quality and speed. It boosts the return signal more than any other device in the market, according to their website, and it offers the maximum vehicle-to-tower reach. This vastly improves cell phone signal connectivity and also conserving the battery life of your devices. So there you go. Your battery lives, your batteries aren't constantly being drained because they're fighting to find better signals and stuff. They can get right to a hot signal. It's in your car, and you're good to go. So pretty cool. It improves signal speed and quality for all cell phone carriers in U.S., Canada, and Mexico. You can stop drop calls, improve text and cellular data inside your car, truck, van, or SUV. It's got the strongest uplink signal, resulting in maximum vehicle-to-tower connection, even in the weakest signal areas. And it's got extended range technology we talked about, with 2 times the power over all other wideband vehicle signal boosters, according to their website. So pretty good offering here. Supports multiple devices simultaneously. It's quick installation. There's no software, no service fees, and it comes, like I said, with a 3-year best warranty. It's pretty easy to set up. You mount a little plate to your dashboard somewhere, or somewhere in the front cabin of your car. Under a seat, you can run the wire, and in the back seat, you can kind of put the center base unit where you plug in both the antenna and your dashboard cord. And of course, you can just mount that to the floor or whatever you want to take and do with it under a seat. And then you just run a wire outside of your car, maybe in the back with the antenna, and it's magnetized, so it sticks right to the top of your car, or it comes with a thing where you can glue it to the top of your car if you want. That's in the box. Anyway, I highly recommend it. We were very, very, very impressed with it. It did a rock and roll job, and the numbers really proved how it worked. So be sure to check it out. You can go to SureCall.com, check out the Fusion2Go Max. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.